What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some Underglow. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm not going to hold you any longer. Just remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And yeah, let's get into the video. Peace. Alright, boys, we've got the wires ran. Well, not the wires ran, but we've got them brought outside the car. If you can see right here, I've ran them up in here. This is going to be tucked a lot more though once I tighten them up. But yeah, they go all the way up to right here. And then I'm going to have to connect another one to get it down to the front bumper. And then we'll start placing the lights. But yeah, this hopefully is a lot more simple than my past projects. So yeah. Alright, boys, we have got the lights, well, the front one's hooked up here. I've got a ton of extra cable on this side, so I've kind of zip tied it together. I'm going to, well, this is all zip tied together, this is all like extra, and I'm going to tuck it up here and probably zip tie it in so it can't fall out, because don't want that dragging along the road. It stays up there alright itself, but I would like to make sure it's actually secure in there. I'm trying to see the best way to, I think maybe this hole, run a zip tie through there and tighten it up real tight. Should do it. We'll try it. I also know I haven't recorded very much of this. Legit, this is all I've got done in like 2 hours because I just sat out here and was like trying to figure out the best way to get the wires in and everything, but hopefully it should go quicker now. I'll try to record a little bit more. Yeah. Alright, boys, what's going on? Here we are. We got the, this is just the front ones. I obviously still don't have the side ones on, but yeah, this is looking awesome. I don't know if you can see that right there, this little thing. That's like one of the connectors. I'm gonna see if I can get some a zip tie and see if I can pull that up a little bit. But if not, it doesn't bother me too bad. I do think it looks awesome. It looks way cooler on camera. Like, it's way brighter on camera. But yeah, this is just the front. It's getting a little too dark for me to be working out here. I can't really see anything. I already have bad eyesight as it is. There's basically, earlier I had like a huge bundle of wire, like this, right here, tucked up down in there. If you get this kit, do not do it that way. That's the wrong way, and I had to take like 2 or 3 zip ties off and pull more wire down from the inside, because you need 3 more of these for each tire to go over each tire, I guess is the point of them. At least that's the way I understand it. But I know it does die off a little bit right here, but for like, I'm pretty sure I paid $30 for this kit. It looks awesome. I can't wait to have them all on. It's gonna be awesome. Also, you know the color. If you know what look I'm going for, you're a real fan. You're OG. God, that looks so awesome. Also, don't worry about, these aren't wires hanging down. These are zip tie clippings. I'll pick them up tomorrow in the morning. Oh my gosh, I love the look of that though. That's awesome. I've been wanting to put these on for so long. I've had them probably since like a couple weeks after I got the car. That's how long I've had these. I've had this, obviously the old red shifter I've had, and then the steering wheel and the seat. Pretty much all came like a few weeks after I got the car. And these have also been sitting, and they've legit been sitting in the car for 6-7 months now. I think I've had it almost a year and a half. Yeah, this looks awesome. Hopefully tomorrow, whenever I finish the rest of them, I can, whenever I get home, I can do a little video of the sides and everything, because if they look half as good as this front does, and like, it looks great, like it looks so much more bright right here on camera than it does in real life. Like, it's still really bright, don't get me wrong. It's also a different shade of green on camera. It's like a lime green on camera, which is more what I was going for, but this still looks awesome. This is more just like a green. I don't know, like a... It looks good. Cut to tomorrow. What's going on, boys? It's the next day. Now hopefully we're gonna be getting the rest of the lights on. We've only got the front done, and they look awesome, but we've still got, as you can see here, all these two. Two for side, obviously, and then two for the rear. And I got the other two, like, sets of wires outside already. You up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open me again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Well, I was about 5 minutes from legit. I was starting to peel the tape off to put the final lights on the right side, and now it's raining. I needed not even 5 minutes, and I would be completely done. I guess I'll just stand here and wait for it to stop. I look into the clouds, it don't look like it's gonna happen anytime soon. I just need like 5 more minutes, 10 at most. Because I still got the wiring to tuck on the right side. Here's the back. Here's the right side. They're looking awesome. I know I had a clip of just the fronts, but this is with all of them. It looks so awesome. That looks so good. I kind of wish I'd have got the right sides back a little bit more, but yeah, it's not that big of a deal to me. I know you can see these, well, actually, you can see the wires, but the little things, those aren't the lights, those are water drops because it just poured the rain here. But yeah, here's the right side. I don't think I got them as close to the edge as I did the right, or the left, or this is the left side. I didn't get them as close as I did to the right, but it still looks good. It looks awesome to me. Actually, I think I got them about the same. I think it's just, this is like more light on this side. I don't know. But they look awesome to me. This was a super fun install. Honestly, really not that much of a pain in the butt. Mainly just time consuming more than anything. I will say, although you get a lot of zip ties with it, but I use mainly those for wires. But yeah, I mainly use those for wires. I used 3M double-sided tape on the actual lights, and that worked fine. The fronts did fall down, but that was because I didn't use actual 3M tape. It came with like 2 pieces of tape on it, but I did fix it today with actual 3M tape, and they've held up real good. They look nice, but yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I think this will be the last install for a while, but yeah, other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and follow me on all my other stuff. Twitch if you like gaming stuff, YouTube here if you like gaming stuff. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and peace.